So hello everyone. Today we are going to start Python programming so that we can utilize this lockdown period. And in this session, I'm going to discuss why someone should learn programming language, any programming language. So I'll try to give some reasons so that you will convince that someone from any background can go for learning programming language. So the very first reason is actually programming language teaches you how to think. Programming languages are used to solve real life problems. And for solving such problems, one need to think. So in short, it builds up your logic. The more you solve such problems, your logic improves. And in short, we can say it teaches you how to think. Basically, it builds up your logic. It improves your logical thinking. It gives you an insight or approach about how to solve a particular problem. So the very first point we get to know is it improves your logic. Okay. And the second reason, which is the most important reason, the second reason, which is very important, is we all get to know, or usually we used to hear that a 13-year-old boy is working in Google, or a dropout is working in topmost software company. Yes, and the good thing is, yes, it is true. Why such topmost MNCs or top software industry are allowing such 13-year-old people or dropouts to work with them? Because they don't want you to be an IITian or to be a B.Tech in computer science from an IIT, or to be a B.Tech from some NIT in only in computer science. Because what they want is you must be talented. You must be good in coding. You must be good in analytical skills. That's why companies nowadays used to recruit everyone through a coding round, that is a programming round. And what is the reason that they don't want someone to be a B.Tech or from IIT or from NIT? What is the reason? Because important thing is they want their work to be done. How does that matters who did it or who will do it? Let me take a simple example. What if electricity at your home goes down? Do you used to call an electrical engineer from IIT or an electrician? अगर हमारे घर में बिजली चली जाती है तो क्या हम किसी इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर को बुलाते हैं जो यूपीपीसीएल में काम कर रहा है? एक सिंपल सा इलेक्ट्रिशियन बुलाते हैं. द आंसर इज हम इलेक्ट्रिशियन बुलाते हैं बिकॉज हमारे काम का कौन है? इलेक्ट्रिशियन. मैं उस इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर को नहीं बुलाऊंगा. और जो इलेक्ट्रिशियन आता है मैं उससे ये नहीं पूछता तुम यार बीटेक कहाँ से हो, तुम यार एमटेक कहाँ से हो, बिकॉज उसे मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. एंड दैट इज वाई द सेम अप्रोच the top MNC used to follow, the top software company used to follow. How does that matter? They don't care about whether you are a B.Tech from a private institute or you are a BCom or you are a 13-year-old boy. They used to hire you for sure. Is that okay? I hope that is a convincing reason. That means I am saying top software industries will hire you, and it does not matter who are you. It does not matter from where you did your B.Tech, whether you are B.Tech or not, whether you are a 12th class pass student or a 7th class student. That does not matter here. Then the third reason, which is very important reason, actually it is the most demanding profession. And again, the reason is because the most lucrative jobs, से सबसे ज्यादा सैलरी वाली नौकरी सिर्फ सॉफ्टवेयर में, नॉट सिर्फ सॉफ्टवेयर में, मतलब इट इज गुड टू बी इन सॉफ्टवेयर और अर्निंग अ लॉट. So most of the lucrative jobs are in software industry. See, the only motivation behind everyone nowadays is money. So the point number three must be clear to everyone. I hope so. And point number four, of course, it is not going to harm you. It is not going to harm you. It is not going to harm you. Oh, of course, you can learn for sure. It is going to give you something. It is not going to harm you something. So I hope these reasons are enough for someone to learn, to get motivated to learn programming language. And it is not necessary that you should belong to computer science or you are pursuing a BTech from computer science for learning a programming language, because in order to improve your logic, does it really matters that you must be in computer science so that you will improve your logic only if you are in computer science? No, yeah, everyone can improve the logic. And second important thing, second point is, I hope I have covered it already, but again, let me give you an insight that I'm talking about top software industries like Google, Amazon, and all that. They don't care whether you are a BTech in computer science, whether you are a 7-year-old child, whether you are a 13-year-old child, whether you are a BCom, whether you are a dropout. They only care about your talent. If you are good in coding, if you are good at analytical skills, they will going to hire you for sure. So don't worry if you don't belong to computer science, if you don't belong to BTech, if you are not pursuing a BTech degree, just enjoy programming and for sure you will get a job. And third point is most lucrative jobs. And the fourth point, although it is funny, but it is true, it is not going to harm you for sure. That's all for this lecture. Let's meet in the next lecture. Please like and subscribe if you find it good.